Hello everyone. During this session, we will learn about articles. Let us start by answering this question. Did you know that the English alphabets are divided into consonants and vowels? If so, what are they? The alphabets A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, and the rest of the alphabets are called consonants. Now, what are articles? In English grammar, articles are a group of small words that give information about a noun. There are three articles: a, and the. Articles a and an are called indefinite articles, and article the is called a definite article. Let's begin with article a. It is used before words which begin with a consonant or a consonant sound. Some examples are a shirt, a pen, a lion, a boy, a computer, a woman, and so on. Here, the consonants are S, P, L, B, C, and W. Now let's learn about article an. It is used before words which begin with a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, or a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an eagle, an inkpot, an umbrella, an oven, and so on. But there are some exceptions to this rule, children. They are based on the pronunciation of certain words. Now let us look at some unique examples. We use A before the words that begin with the alphabet U, even though it is a vowel. For example, a university, a uniform, a unicorn, a European. This is because the pronunciation of these words actually begins with alphabet U but has a consonant sound. Did you understand, children? Similarly, we use the article an before certain words even though they are consonants. These words begin with the consonant but makes a vowel sound. Hence we use article an before them. For example, it is an honor to meet you. We do not say it is an honor to meet you because we pronounce the word honor. The alphabet H is silent. As you know, O is a vowel, so we use and for it. Understood? Now, why are the articles a and an are called indefinite articles? This is because they do not refer to any particular person or thing. Example, a boy waved at us, so we use indefinite article a. Similarly, we lost an umbrella yesterday. Here we use the indefinite article an. This is because we are not pointing out a particular boy or a particular umbrella. This could be any boy or any umbrella, children. Now let us take up the next article, which is the. It is called a definite article. Article the is used to refer a particular person, place, or thing. Let us take this example. The boy who lives next door waved at us. Here we are talking about the specific boy who lives next door. Hence we use the definite article the. Similarly, when we say we lost the polka dot umbrella yesterday, we are referring to the particular polka dot umbrella. Is it clear, children? So, where is the used? The is used before a noun that represents a whole class. For example, the wild boar is said to be a dangerous animal. The is also used before some proper nouns like the names of mountains and mountain ranges. For example, the Western Ghats, the Andes, the Alps. Also, the names of oceans, seas, rivers, such as the Indian Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, the Yamuna. Monuments such as the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, and some books and newspapers like the Bible, the Hindu, as well as the names of certain unique things like the earth, the moon. Is it clear, children? Now let us look at this example for a better understanding. A dog followed us home. The dog was hungry. Look at the first sentence. It is starting with article A. And now look at the second sentence. We are talking about the same dog but in a second sentence. So we use the article the. So remember, children, when we talk about something for the first time, we use the indefinite articles. What are they? A or an. Very good. But when we talk about the same thing again, we use the definite article, that is the. Now, can you fill the blanks of these two sentences for me, children? Dash toy was lying there. He started playing with dash toy. Alright. A toy was lying there. He started playing with the toy. Well done, children. I hope you have understood. So now let us take few more sentences to practice. Now you will say which article to fill in. I have 3 shirts. Dash yellow one, dash orange one, and dash black one. So the blanks will be a yellow one, an orange one, and a black one. Second one. Did you see dash man that I told you about? The answer is, did you see the man that I told you about? It is a specific man. Third one. She was wearing dash old dress. She was wearing an old dress because O is a vowel. That's dash very funny joke. So there it comes, that's a funny joke. The next one. We have dash exam tomorrow. We have an exam. E is a vowel, so it will be an exam tomorrow. Dash meal that we ate yesterday was wonderful. So the meal that we ate yesterday was wonderful. It is talking about the specific meal that we ate yesterday. Well done, children. So to become perfect, you have to practice. So here is a worksheet for you. So keep practicing, learn well, and thank you. Have a great day.